What's up guys, in this video I will show you from my experience how to get water out of the mask and also how to put it underwater. Many times I've heard from people that is one of their biggest fears in diving, when water gets into their mask. So here are some exercises that will help your confidence to do it properly and easily. As water penetrates into the mask, it can cause a bit of discomfort, so how do we stop feeling that way? First of all, we just need to get used to this situation and not necessarily be in the pool or at the sea. Here's some practice that you can do at home, where we feel safe. Just put some water into the mask. Now wear it and breathe from your mouth. You can walk around your house or sit down and watch TV or just do whatever you want to get relaxed. Try holding for 30 seconds to 1 minute in the first time. After you practicing it a few times, you will feel much more confident when you have water in your mask. After we feel ready, let's do it in the water. So let's start with an exercise that is the most basic. Empty our mask when we're already wearing it. Remember to do it in shallow water and always be with someone to look after you. Now, we just put some water into the mask and then tilt your head up and press with your fingers on the top of the mask and exhale through your nose. Let's see it from the side. Great, now let's do it one more time. Put water in the mask and then tilt your head up with the fingers at the top of the mask and exhale through your nose. And that's it. Keep doing this exercise until you feel ready for the next step. Now we will perform the second exercise, which is a bit more challenging, and that is to take off and put the mask back underwater. When you feel ready, just take off the mask when you hold both of the sides. After you're wearing it, the next stage you already know. Just tilt your head up along with your fingers at the top of the mask and exhale. Let's see it again from the side. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you, I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. And also be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, dive safe.